What is Six Sigma? Understanding Six Sigma methodology. Six Sigma is a powerful problem-solving and process improvement tool which is developed by a quality assurance engineer Bill Smith at Motorola in 1986. The Six Sigma methodology involves a set of techniques to improve the quality of a process or a product by removing or minimizing the causes of defects. Basically, the Six Sigma methodology combines statistical methods with quality management methods to build a framework for process improvement within the organization. Six Sigma methodology. The Six Sigma methodology aims to improve the quality of the process by analyzing and reducing defects and errors. It is a quality management process that is applicable to all industries. Apart from the other quality improvement techniques, Six Sigma aims to achieve measurable, quantifiable and measurable results. Other techniques often rely on assumptions and estimates. There are two basic methodologies for conducting a Six Sigma process, which are DMAIC and DMADV. The main difference between the two methodologies is DMAIC is used to improve the existing process while DMADV is used for new products or process. Six Sigma methodology DMAIC. 1. Define, identify customer requirements and project objectives. 2. Measure, realize the current project performance and measure the various aspects of it by collecting inputs. 3. Analyze the data and determine the root causes of any defects. 4. Improve, optimize the current process and establish ways to improve the process. 5. Control, create and implement control systems to control the future performance of the process. It is a continuous process aims to reach the desired quality level. Six Sigma methodology DMADV. 1. Define, identify customer requirements and project goals. 2. Measure product capabilities, risks, and critical components. 3. Analyze, to develop and design alternatives. 4. Design the alternative which is the best suited one in the analyze step. 5. Verify the design by the help of simulations and implement the production process. Then hand over the process to the client or the process owner. Six Sigma methodology implementation levels. Six Sigma implementation necessitates specially trained staff and certified professionals. Green Belt, Black Belt, and Master Black Belt are the three levels of Six Sigma certification. There are also white and yellow belt roles, but their task is to assist higher level belts. Green Belts, first certification level is the Green Belt. They mostly have a general understanding and knowledge on Six Sigma principles. They participate in Six Sigma projects as a part-time employee. Black Belts are full-time experts working under the guidance of Black Master Belts. They are experienced team leaders. Master Black Belts, they guide employees for Six Sigma implementation. They work with upper management in close cooperation. Benefits of Six Sigma methodology. Using the Six Sigma methodologies and implementing its core principles provides many benefits to the organizations. Here below are some benefits of using this technique to improve the business processes. Increase productivity. Minimize defects. Increase customer satisfaction. Improve customer loyalty. Improve the quality. Improve employee satisfaction. Reduce the cycle times. Solve the problems effectively. Determine the root cause of a problem. Improve decision making. Improves the business processes. Reduce the operating costs. Improve strategic planning. Improve time management. Create a vision for the company. Ensure continuous improvement. Six Sigma is a popular process improvement methodology in business that focuses on customer satisfaction. The two methodologies DMAIC and DMADV are the sub-methodologies of Six Sigma. Using this technique enables to reduce the number of defective products manufactured or services provided, resulting in increased revenue and greater customer satisfaction.